of a changing and more complex world, when clients' needs are more global than ever, one cannot rely upon old expertise. One needs to do things differently. Easier said than done. Have you ever gone out of your way to perform differently? Have you ever tried to find radically new ways of understanding and matching a client's needs and expectations? Have you ever gone out of your way to find new ways of motivating your teams and being more efficient? During this performance, David and I will lead you in an experience of a new kind. Together, we will discover several innovative and effective ways to perform differently.